This video describes how to create and submit an electrical permit application. Start by logging into the Permit Arlington customer portal. Select Create, then select Building Application. Scroll to find Electrical and select. Then scroll down and select Continue Application. Provide the project location and associated information. For address selection, you can use a partial address to enter into the system to help with the search. At this point, you should only enter the street number and/or street name when using address. We are only entering the street number in this instance. Click Search. If multiple addresses appear, be sure to select the one with the correct associated parcel and owner information. If the correct associated parcel and owner does not appear, select another option with the same address. Once you have found the correct owner, click Select. The other address field should populate automatically. Select Continue Application when you are finished. Under Project Details, the first question that appears is used to determine whether the project is considered residential or commercial according to the Virginia Uniform Statewide Building Code. Read and respond to the question carefully to make sure you're creating the correct type of application. The wrong permit type selection will result in the application being rejected and may require an entirely new application to be completed. In this example, we are selecting No. Continue to fill out the remainder of the application. Please note if this permit is for preventive maintenance or for swimming pool bonding and wiring, you can check the relevant box. Otherwise, leave blank and continue the application. Choose to add a row or add multiple rows to add the appropriate fixtures and equipment that are part of this project. Click the drop-down to see the various options. If the permit does not include one of the specialty items, click the X in the upper right-hand corner and click Continue Application. If it does include it, fill out and add each of the items. Once you continue application, you will be shown additional tables. Each of these tables has different types of fixtures and equipment, so look carefully throughout all of them to be sure that all items that will be part of the permit are added. Select the type of fixture and enter the quantity in replacement, relocated, or new. Then be sure to include details such as amperage, HP, or kilowatt if required. Note that that amount should be for each individual fixture or equipment. So if I had two different service panels that I was replacing, and one of them was between 0 and 500 amps, and the other was between 501 and 1600 amperes, then they should be on two separate rows. If they were both within the same quantity, they can remain on the same row. Once you've filled out the rows, click Submit. You can continue to add additional information by clicking Add Row. Once you've added all of the items, select Continue Application. If you're not sure if something is a replacement, relocated, or new, please review how Arlington County defines these on Arlington County's webpage. Under Additional Information, there's a feature for other electrical equipment, fixtures, outlets, or appliances. This only needs to be filled out if there are other items that were not already accounted for in the earlier part of the application. Otherwise, please leave this box blank. There's also a field to say provide a building permit number. The building permit must be approved, issued, and active. If the building permit is not active yet, the electrical permit can be saved by clicking Save and Resume later, and you can return to the application to submit it after the building permit is active. If there are multiple building permits, then a separate electrical permit application must be submitted for each building permit. If a building permit is not provided, additional questions will be shown. Once you've completed this section, select Continue Application. Please be aware some projects may require a building permit to be approved and issued before the electrical permit can be processed. Fill out the additional questions and select Continue Application. Under Contact Information, identify the permit holder and who is submitting the application. Fill out the remaining questions. Then select Continue Application. If the permit holder is a licensed contractor, select Add DPOR/business license. Enter the DPOR license number, and the system will verify the license number and populate the contractor information from DPOR. Scroll down to fill in the phone number and the email address for the contractor. Then select Save and Close. If applicable, follow these same steps for the business license number. If the permit holder is the contractor, a current Arlington County business license or reciprocity is required. If you do not have either of these for the current year, please contact the Arlington County business license. When you're finished, select Continue Application. For applicant, select from account. Then select Associated Contact and choose Continue. Fill out any blank information or fields. The email address here will be used for contacts and updates throughout the project. Once everything is filled in, click Continue. For property owner, select from account as well. Choose the associated owner. Note, when using associated owner, the legal property owner information is retrieved from Arlington County's real estate assessment database. If that information appears outdated, please update it. This may occur in cases such as a recent sale. Please note, if you change or update this information, you will be required to provide closing disclosure documents or a copy of the deed as proof of the change. Once you've filled in all of the information, select Continue. You can add additional contacts by clicking Add Contact Information for anyone else you would like to receive email updates about this project. We will leave this blank and select Continue Application. When finished, you will have the opportunity to review the displayed information. Please confirm all of the information is accurate and correct. If you need to edit something, use the Edit button that appears in the related selection. After making edits to a section, select Continue Application. After all edits are complete, review the displayed information again. Scroll to the bottom of the screen and select the checkbox to indicate that all of the information provided is accurate and complete. Then select Continue Application. Once you click Continue Application, the previously answered questions cannot be edited prior to submitting the application. If you are not sure, select Save and Resume later. Once you're ready to proceed, click Continue Application. You will be brought to a page to upload documents. Scroll down to the page. If you see the field Review the required documents, this will provide a list of the minimum documents necessary for submission. If you do not have this field and you do not have any documents you wish to submit, you can proceed to click Submit for review. Otherwise, select the Browse button and select the appropriate files. Make sure to select the discipline and sheet type. These must match the required documents in order to be able to submit for review. Once you've selected all of the documents, click Upload. Then select that yes, you are ready to upload the documents. When the documents have finished uploading, select Submit for review. Then select Submit again. It may take a few minutes. Please do not hit the back button or refresh during this time. Once it is completed, select OK to confirm. At this time, the system will send 2 email notifications to you and any contacts provided to indicate that the application and documents have been submitted. After the Inspection Services Division Permit Administration staff have reviewed the application, you and any contacts provided will receive another notification with the next steps. Your mechanical permit number can be found here under Record Number. This will be the number for reference throughout the permitting process.